Happy Wednesday guys, happy hump day and welcome to your Wednesday motivational video. Today's message is all about getting over the hump. Commonly known as hump day is the point in the week where we feel like we are really starting to come over that slope of just hard grafting. I always find that Tuesday is the toughest day of the week for me, and it's just because it's that momentum that you're missing. I feel like you start to build up a bit of momentum and by Wednesday you are at the peak, and then for the rest of the week it tends to be plain sailing from there. So my message today is about getting over the hump, how to get over the hump, how to get over that point where you feel like you have been struggling to the maximum of your capability and you can't see an end in sight. So if anything is going to motivate you this Wednesday, it is going to be the fact that if you are struggling, if you are working really hard, if you are burning the candle at both ends, your struggle is going to be rewarded by a breakthrough. So if you're feeling like this is the hardest point in your life right now, it's because something positive and something better is coming. I'm a Christian, so I do believe that God saves his biggest battles for his strongest warriors. So if you feel like you've been facing a really big battle, if you feel like you have been really going through it, then I just urge you to just keep going, because you don't know how close you are to success, to happiness, to joy, to whatever it is you're striving for. Remind yourself of how far you've come, remind yourself of where you're going, and remind yourself of the point that you are at now, because you're going to look back at this someday in the future and you're going to think how incredible it is to be exactly where you are. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please do subscribe if you're not already. Share this video with your friends and family on your Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. All my social media channels are linked in the description box below if you want to come and follow me, and I will see you in tomorrow's motivational message. Bye.